Today we're going to discuss the emergency bandage. It's also known as the Israeli bandage. These are the brands that we currently are carrying. We're going to have two sizes, a small and a large. We're going to talk about how to apply this device today and some FAQs. So remove the package from the inner lining. You'll notice that it is a roll bandage. Inside this, it is being held together by a string. As you unroll it, this string will come out of the bandage, but that's to keep it from falling on the ground and getting dirty before you're ready to apply it. This can be used in conjunction with a tourniquet and with our combat gauze. Two benefits to this particular device: it does have a non-stick sterile pad when you take it out of the package that is applied directly to the wound. It also can be used as a sling in conjunction as a pressure bandage. To apply this device, you're going to just put the pad directly over the wound. You can put combat gauze underneath this pad if you need to. You're going to wrap around the arm one time and go through the holder here. Have it nice and flat and then pull back on itself so that it lays flat onto the arm. You want this piece directly over the wound to provide the most pressure. Then you're going to continue wrapping the device, and you want to make sure you're covering both ends of the original bandage as you do this. When you get to the end, you have this blocking piece. It goes over the last bit of bandage that you put on and holds the bandage in place. Just clip the edges over the edge of the bandage. Stays in place just like that. Provides excellent pressure and compression to the wound. This device can also be used to bandage neck wounds, which can be a little bit tricky to bandage properly. You put the sterile bandage over the wound in the neck, raise the opposite arm in the air, and come under the arm through the axilla. Come back. Put it through the pressure applicator, just like a normal application. Pull back in the opposite direction, just like we do any other time we put this on. Back under the arm again. Around, creating more pressure. Under the arm one more time. And then clip it off to hold the pressure. This device is also very useful for bandaging head wounds, which can be tricky since the bandages tend to slide off. So we'll show you how to do that. The head wound is over here. Again, you want the pad on top of the wound. I'm going to put it over, wrap it around the forehead. I realize this is covering his eyes. We'll fix that in a minute. Back around the head through the pressure applicator. Just like all other applications, pull back in the opposite direction. Back around the head one more time. This is where it gets interesting. Take the bandage over the top of the pressure applicator so that you can change directions with it. Now you're going to go under the chin, over the top of the head, under the chin again, over the top of the head one more time, and then secure it in place. Now you can pull it up over the patient's eyes so you can see. It's actually really secure.